Yo, what's good, YouTube? This your boy Ben Man Real. Had no felt. Motherfucking Rio, what's up? Oh, I said that wrong. Yo, what's good, YouTube? This your boy Rio. Had no felt. Ben Man is there we go. Hey, look, man. You need a trade line to get approved for anything. Definitely a car. Definitely a car. You need an AU for apartment to get your credit score up. AU is an authorized user. It's just basically like an apartment package or a house package. Primaries, installment loans. Them is like to get approved for credit cards, cars. So yeah, excuse me. I just woke up, man. My breath smells like ass. I can smell it. So I can taste it and smell it. Yes, so you need a trade line if you want to do anything with it. You cannot do anything with a blank CP. Repeat, you cannot do anything with a blank CP. I repeat, you cannot do anything with a blank CP. I got trade lines for sale. I got 3 AUs. I got 5 primaries. And I got 6 installment loans. They all rental and mortgage. So hit me up. Hit me up. Again, if you want to learn how to make checks and drop in bank accounts, or you want yours did, hit me up. If you want to learn how to make clone cards, hit me up. I'm gonna show y'all. I just don't, it's for the clone cards, man. I just don't talk about this shit. I really do this shit. So if you want to learn how to do all that, hit me up, man. This your boy Ben, man. I'm out. Number will be down below.